At last, now I've found my opening, and a whole new life is mine. I have done things that I never dreamed of, and found things I thought I'd never find. I spent all my life in the same rugged hills, and I know it all just as well as I know the back of my own hand. Every hill, every valley, every tree and every bush. My life was tangled up with that land. But I dreamed of something a whole lot different. Well, my love was still real strong for my home and my family and my friends in those hills. I kept searching for an opening in my tangled up life, and I longed for the big city thrills. And at last, now I've found my opening, and a whole new life is mine. I have done things that I never dreamed of, and found things I thought I'd never find. I watched for my opening with each passing day. And then suddenly, one day, just right out of the blue, without any warning, one bright sunny morning, well, it was just there, and I simply walked through. And at last now I've found my big opening, and a whole great big new life is mine. I've done things that I never dreamed I'd ever get to do, and I found things I thought that